From the businesses that you work with, drop down list on the Manage feature in Payoneer. You'll have four options. First one is receiving bank accounts. Second one is the companies that you work with. Third one is a store manager. And the fourth one is refer your network. On the recipient bank accounts, it's just going to show the batch payments that you've made or the contacts that you've made for batch payments throughout your entire timeline. So you could go to your contacts page and add in the Payoneer details of the people that you will be sending money to, whether via Payoneer or via their local banks. The companies that you work with are the people who have paid you for your entire timeline from when you first opened your Payoneer account. So once you open them, it's going to show the payment method in which they've paid you before, their first and last payment, any additional fees that have incurred during the time that they were paying you, and the payee ID for that specific payer. Store Manager is where you will connect your Amazon stores to your Payoneer account. You can get step-by-step instructions via blog, or you can get started by pressing this. Once you press get started, you will be asked to select a region where you're selling from and to enter your Amazon Seller Central email. Let's say you go to Asia and the Pacific and then go to your central email. It's going to be asking you to connect your account to Amazon to authorize the connection between your Payoneer and your Amazon storefront. Then once you're done adding your store locations and your store details, then it'll go under review. If you're happy with all of the information that's written on there, you could just proceed. Refer your network is a way to refer your business network to Payoneer so that they can use Payoneer for their transactions. There's an asterisk on here that has a fine print. Your business network has to reach a certain amount of funds that are sent in order for you to earn 250 USD. It show your stats, so how many times you've shared Payoneer to your business network, who have joined in your business network to Payoneer, and how much you've earned through your referrals. Business integrations shows the apps that you can connect with Payoneer. Earlier, I showed you could connect Xero, QuickBooks on Payoneer. And then the business applications are just partner businesses that Payoneer has that offers special benefits. So you can open that and you can click through all of their partner companies and you can press learn more to find out what's in store. So that's it.